Hey TayBaes, welcome back to my channel. So the two wigs that you see flashing across your screen right now are two that I picked up because I've been really looking for some synthetic work wig options. So if you are interested in seeing what they look like and hearing my thoughts about them, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is wig number one. This is the Zury Sis Beyond Your Imagination wig in the style GINA. And so far, all I've done to her is cut off the lace and put her on my head. So this is what she's looking like straight out of the package with only the lace cut. I am gonna go in and do a little bit more to her as well, but I wanted you to see kind of what she's looking like right now before I touch her a little bit. So far, she's really cute. She is really, really pretty. All I'm going to do to her is try to define this part a little bit better. I'm just gonna play around with her a little bit, but so far, I think she has potential. Ooh, I think we might be doing something. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back and this is what she is looking like. This is what Miss Gina is looking like at this point. I really didn't do too much with her. So all I did with Miss Gina was take a little bit of mousse and a flat iron to the top of the wig so that I could flatten her down just a little bit. She was standing up just a little bit too much for me. I also put some powder. I didn't tweeze the part at all. I just put some powder in the part, which is a really nice long part. Can you guys see that? It's a really decent part on this wig. So I put a little bit of powder in the part, and lastly, I used the baby hairs that already came with the wig right here and put just a little bit of mousse on a spoolie and swoop them to the side. I didn't want to do too much with those. I didn't even cut them. I kept them at the length that they were and just kind of swooped them to the side a little bit, and I think that added a nice little touch to make it overall look a bit more natural. And this is what we got, and I gotta say, she is very, very pretty and most definitely work appropriate. It was very, very easy to style. I think it's really beginner friendly as well. But I feel like in addition to her being so easy and you being able to more or less just throw her on in the morning before work, I feel like the vibe that she gives is not like I just threw her on. I feel like she gives, I tried this morning. I feel like she gives, you know, a vibe where it's like, no, I didn't just wake up and show up today like most days. I tried to curl my hair. No, giving me right now, and I appreciate it. I really like how these curls are falling on this side of my face. But in saying that, I'll direct you to this side, and that's one con that I have about this wig, is that if you look at the stock card here, there you go. So if you look at the stock card here, you can see it's pretty full on both sides of the hair, and kind of that flowy, curly look is kind of even on both sides. I feel like this side is giving me everything that I need in life when it comes to curls, framing my face, yes. However, on this side, I feel like it's kind of doing its own thing, and it doesn't want to cooperate with me for real. So I find that I'm playing with it, and it's not terrible, but it keeps on wanting to flip that way. Yeah, so it's not a major deal, but I did want to point that out, just that this side is not curling as nicely as this side is. That's something that I could definitely deal with, but you should definitely note that. If you're trying to go for this specific style, I mean, you can see clear as day with it next to me that it's not really giving me this. But she's pretty. I like her. I don't want to talk too much because we have a whole nother wig to get to. I'm going to give you guys a 360, and then we're going to hop into the other wig. Before I flip around though, the texture on this, because I didn't mention that, is really, really nice. I love how it looks like. I think it looks very, very natural. It's really soft, and it's a yucky texture, so it's not too silky. It's really, really nice. Okay guys, that is what Zury Sis GINA looks like all the way around. I gotta say, I actually really, really like this wig, and she is a strong contender. But we're gonna move on to the next wig that I picked up from Bobbi Boss, so give me 1 second. Okay guys, so that was the first wig that I picked up to potentially be my new synthetic work wig. Now, this is the second one that I'm about to pop on my head. Okay. This is the second one that I'm about to pop on my head. So let's see what we're working with here. Pause the music really fast because like I haven't done anything to this wig yet, and can you just tell that this is just so much more me than the last wig? Like, I really liked that last wig, but this is just so much more me, and it's like it was looking real crazy, and then this fell into this part, and it just kind of fell in this style and this manner, and I was just like, yes, like it just clicked. Like it is like, this is me. This is so much more me than the other wig. And I haven't done anything to her yet. And I'm already like, that's it. Like, this is it. Look at, girl, like, Y'all are probably thinking I'm insane right now because y'all like it's a mess. What are you talking about? But I just know myself and my style and like what I like when it comes to wigs. And this is, I can already tell this is it. Where do I start? So I was going to say I need to step away and get her together really fast off camera and then come back and be like, bam, we're popping, like here we are. However, I just feel like this is insane because I cut the lace off and just kind of, you know, fixed the part a little bit, took my little rat tail to it. I want you to understand how effortless this is falling right now. It just kind of fell into place. It's the perfect, simple style that I love. And look at this bang. Like, I know I told y'all I hate stuff in my face, so I'm not actually sure that this would be appropriate for me for work like this, like with it in my face like that. But I could work with that, but like just like on that, like an everyday type of tip, this is it. This is so me. Ugh, I love it. I really love it. And this hair, like look how pretty it looks, but like besides that, it feels so good, y'all. It's just silky and smooth and just delicious. Like, yes, sis. I love her. I love her. We're in love. Okay, no, really though. Let me stop playing. Super cute. I wanted to show you guys really quickly what she looks like without me doing really anything to her at all. I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back and I love this wig. This is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty, so simple, and just nice. Like, I feel like this is one of the nicest synthetic wigs that I've ever purchased personally. And I just feel like the style really suits me. It's very much my style. This is a Bobbi Boss premium synthetic wig. It is a lace front and it has a 4x4 silk base. For the part, it is premium high heat fiber, so it is heat safe. The style of this one is MLF 270 and her name is Fendi, and I picked her up in the color 1B. These are not new wigs. These are just wigs that I came across when I was just looking up, you know, what are some really good synthetic options for work wigs, and so I wanted to try them out for myself. So they're not new, but they are definitely new to me because it just arrived on my doorstep today. So she's very, very pretty, and she was very, very easy to work with and super beginner friendly and easy to style. This Bobbi Boss Fendi wig was $31. So this wig was about $30, and then the last wig, the Zury Sis GINA wig, was $27.50. So both of these wigs are in the $30 price range, which is not bad at all. And for this one, for $31, you gotta be kidding me. She is cute, like, girl. Oh yes. Okay, so all I did when I stepped away, I just straightened out that part a little bit, and I took a little bit of mousse and laid it on either side, and then ran my hot comb over both sides to kind of get it to lay flatter. For the part, I just went in with some face powder and put that powder right in the part, and look how good that part looks, you guys. Like, check her out. Check her out. I did not collect the part at all, and with minimal work, look at her. Look how natural this looks. Does this not look like it could be my hair? Like, does this not look like it's coming out of my head? And this is a synthetic wig. I'm kind of blown away, you guys. I feel like I've really been missing out because I never picked her up. But it's okay, like we've come together now, and now I know. So I'm gonna keep me a Bobbi Boss Fendi on deck for the rest of forever. And that's just what it is. This part looks so good with minimal work. Like even here in the front, there's no line of demarcation and she is lying flat. And that's just using the adjustable straps that came with the wig. So this is what the part looks like. And excuse these eyebrows. They were not cooperating today, and that's okay. So pretty. Okay guys, so again, this was Bobbi Boss Fendi. I really like this one. I really do. If I had to give this one a ranking out of 10, I'm gonna give this, for me, a 10 out of 10. I don't have any complaints about this wig. I think it's beautiful. And I'm really glad I picked her up. Like, this was a really good $30. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and give you guys a quick little 360 of this wig, and we're gonna keep it pushing. So. And I think that covers everything that I wanted to say about these two wigs. All right, TayBaes, remember to stay prepped, pretty, and poised, and I will catch you in the next one.